Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Winnfield. Local and long-distance movers near me. Are you moving to Chevy Chase for your new college or buying a new office for your company? Whatever the reason for moving to Chevy Chase, 3 Movers can help you move. We will do all the work for you. You can focus on other things while taking care of your belongings with handle and care. We are an ideal option for your moving company as we offer the following services. We provide you with the services for loading, packing, unpacking, and transporting your belongings to your new destination. We are a licensed and insured company. We have a well-maintained, hard-working, and trained staff. Our transport and upfront moving quote ensure the right cost for your move without any cancellation or delay. We supply packaging material to pack your belongings with ease. We are always on time and complete the moving process as soon as possible. 3 Movers is a cheap and reliable moving company that will complete your local move in no time. We will handle all the packing and lifting of your belongings and ensure that your belongings are secured from any damage. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Winnfield moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.